arms around him move when he sat down. As the music softly played Amazing Grace. See, last night's fall off the wagon left bruises on his face. So when he felt a hand on his shoulder, he thought he'd hear, come back when you're sober. But a friendly voice said, we're glad you're here. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy, where the doors of love swing open wide. And no matter who you are, no matter what you've done, you can come inside. Welcome to the altar of forgiveness, where the fallen can fall and tears are wiped away. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy. Take a seat on the front row of grace. Yeah, you don't have to have it all together here, 'cause there's a lot of us moving right where you are. And I know when you're caving here, hurting, broken, bruised, and scarred, then the Father reached us with the healing hand of Jesus. They're on the wrong part of His family. Welcome to the First Church of Mercy, where the doors of love swing open wide. And no matter who you are, no matter what you've done, you can come inside. Welcome to the altar of forgiveness, where the fallen can fall and tears are wiped away. And welcome to the First Church of Mercy. Take a seat on the front row of grace. You know we're not here to judge you. You can find that anywhere. But we're called to love you. You're welcome here. The First Church of Mercy, where the doors of love swing open wide.